Tired of spending too much time in the kitchen? These clever Amazon kitchen finds are designed to simplify meal prep, save valuable time, and make everyday cooking a whole lot easier. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Café du Chateau French Press Coffee Maker. A smart coffee solution designed to help you enjoy rich, full-bodied coffee at home. It delivers a smooth brewing experience, reduces the need for expensive coffee shop visits, and helps you make fresh coffee in just minutes. If you're looking for a simple way to upgrade your morning routine, this French press can make every cup more enjoyable. Number 2. The Fullstar The Original Pro Chopper. A time-saving kitchen solution designed to make meal prep faster and easier. It quickly chops fruits and vegetables, reduces prep time, and helps create consistent results with minimal effort. If you're tired of spending extra time slicing and dicing, this gadget can help make everyday cooking quicker and more convenient. Number 3. The CN Glass Teapot Stovetop Safe. A smart solution for tea lovers who want a simple and enjoyable brewing experience. It makes it easy to brew loose-leaf tea, allows you to watch your tea steep, and helps create a more enjoyable tea routine at home. If you're looking for an easy way to enjoy fresh, flavorful tea, this teapot is a great addition to any kitchen. Number 4. The Anico 100% Compostable Waste Bags. A practical kitchen solution designed to make food waste disposal cleaner and more eco-friendly. It helps collect compostable scraps neatly, reduces mess around the kitchen, and supports a more sustainable lifestyle. If you're looking for an easy way to manage kitchen waste while cutting down on plastic use, these bags are a simple everyday upgrade. Number 5. The OXO Good Grips Easy Clean Compost Bin. A smart kitchen solution designed to keep food scraps organized and out of the way. It helps contain compostable waste, reduces countertop mess, and makes cleanup easier throughout the day. If you're tired of dealing with food scraps while cooking, this compost bin can help keep your kitchen cleaner and more organized. Number 6. The Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker. A convenient kitchen solution designed to take the guesswork out of cooking eggs. It helps prepare eggs quickly and consistently, saves time during busy mornings, and reduces the need to monitor the stove. If you want an easier way to make breakfast, this gadget can simplify your daily routine and help you get out the door faster. Number 7. The Presto 04863 Pop Light Hot Air Popcorn Popper. A fun snack-making solution designed to deliver fresh popcorn in minutes. It pops kernels using hot air, helps reduce the need for added oil, and makes movie nights and family gatherings more enjoyable. If you love fresh homemade popcorn, this gadget offers a quick and easy way to enjoy a favorite snack anytime. Number 8. The Kitchen in the Box Food Processor. A versatile kitchen solution designed to make meal prep faster and less stressful. It quickly chops, mixes, and processes ingredients, saves valuable prep time, and helps reduce manual effort in the kitchen. If you're looking for an easier way to prepare meals, this compact food processor can help make everyday cooking quicker and more convenient. All products links are in the description below. Number 9. The Fella Duo LOC Deli Meat Containers. A smart food storage solution designed to keep your fridge organized and your deli meats fresher for longer. It helps reduce clutter in the refrigerator, keeps sliced meats neatly stored, and makes food easier to access. If your fridge always feels messy or unorganized, this simple storage upgrade can help keep everything cleaner, fresher, and more convenient. Number 10. The Bagel Slicer and Multi-Use Food Cutter. A smart kitchen tool designed to make slicing safer, faster, and more consistent. It helps you cut bagels, fruits, and other foods evenly, reduces the risk of accidental cuts, and saves time during meal prep. If you want a quick and easy way to get perfect slices every time, this tool makes everyday kitchen tasks much more convenient. Number 11. The Scrome 5-Pack Glass Food Storage Containers. A smart kitchen storage solution designed to keep your meals fresh and your fridge organized. It helps store leftovers, meal prep, or snacks in a clean and durable way, reduces food waste, and keeps everything easy to stack and find. If you're looking for a better way to organize your fridge and store food safely, these containers make everyday storage simple and efficient. Number 12. The Feli On-The-Go Yogurt Parfait Snack Cup. A convenient food storage solution designed for quick and healthy snacking anywhere. It keeps yogurt, fruits, and toppings separated until you're ready to eat, makes meal prep easier, and is perfect for busy mornings or travel. If you want a simple way to carry fresh snacks without mess, this cup makes healthy eating more convenient on the go. Number 13. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. A smart cooking solution designed to make healthier meals with less effort. It air fries, bakes, roasts, and reheats food quickly, reduces the need for excess oil, and helps save time in the kitchen. If you want crispy, delicious meals without deep frying, this air fryer makes everyday cooking faster and healthier. Number 14. The Presto 01781 Pressure Canner and Cooker. A powerful kitchen solution designed for safe and efficient home canning and cooking. It helps preserve fruits, vegetables, and meats for long-term storage, reduces cooking time significantly, and ensures consistent results. If you're into home preservation or batch cooking, this pressure canner makes the process more reliable and time-saving. Number 15. The NutriChef Food Vacuum Sealer Machine. A smart food preservation solution designed to keep your groceries fresher for longer. It removes air from storage bags, helps reduce food waste, and extends the shelf life of meats, vegetables, and leftovers. If you're looking to save money and keep food fresher in your fridge or freezer, this vacuum sealer is a practical kitchen upgrade. Number 16. The Viterra Ceramic Dinnerware Sets. A stylish dining solution designed to upgrade your everyday meals with a clean, modern look. It provides durable plates and bowls for daily use, adds elegance to your dining table, and is perfect for both casual meals and hosting guests. If you want a simple way to make your dining experience more premium, this dinnerware set is a great addition to your kitchen. Number 17. The Etex 8-Piece Bakeware Set. A complete baking solution designed to make cooking and baking easier at home. It includes essential pans for cakes, cookies, and oven meals, supports even heat distribution, and helps improve baking results. If you enjoy baking or want a reliable set for everyday oven use, this bakeware set is a practical kitchen upgrade. Number 18. The NutriChef 3-Piece Non-Stick Kitchen Oven Baking Pans. A practical baking solution designed to make oven cooking easier and more efficient. It provides non-stick surfaces for easy food release, helps reduce cleanup time, and supports even baking results. If you're looking for affordable and reliable baking pans for everyday use, this set is a simple kitchen essential. Number 19. The Fetri Acacia Wood Cutting Board Set. A durable kitchen solution designed to make food prep cleaner and more organized. It provides sturdy cutting surfaces for chopping fruits, vegetables, and meats, helps protect countertops, and adds a natural premium look to your kitchen. If you want a reliable and stylish upgrade for everyday cooking, this cutting board set is a practical choice. Number 20. The Razab Large 7.6 Cups Glass Loaf Pan. A versatile baking solution designed for everyday oven cooking and baking needs. It provides even heat distribution for better baking results, lets you easily monitor food while cooking, and is perfect for breads, casseroles, and desserts. If you're looking for a durable and practical bakeware option, this glass loaf pan is a simple kitchen upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these smart kitchen finds, check the links in the description for more details.